I'm John Davies with GreenBiz Group. I'm here today with Joe Kava, VP of Data Centers at Google. Welcome, Joe.
Thanks very much, John. Thanks for having me.
So, Joe, great session this morning, and one thing I wanted to ask you about is how does the innovation lens play into all this? What cool things have you guys done that we probably don't know about?
Sure, yeah. Well, in our data center world, we're extremely innovative. We have a data center R&D team that is focused on technologies that are going to be put into our data centers 2 generations from now. So we're already working on things that won't go into our data centers until perhaps 2016, maybe 2017. And the reason we do that is that we look at everything from a hyper-efficiency model. We would like to buy it first. So if it's available on the commercial market, we would prefer to buy it. Many times what we want isn't available. So I'll give you a couple of examples. One is that when we were siting our data center in Finland, we always look from a blank slate, like, okay, we don't have a specific design that we're going to implement in every new site. We look at what is the best way to maximize the resources that are at that site, make it the most efficient data center possible. That site was right on the Gulf of Finland. So we decided that we were going to make a seawater cooled data center, 100% seawater cooled data center. You can start thinking of some problems like seawater corrosion, salt byproducts, all this type of stuff, right? Is it going to have a negative effect on the server life cycle and all of that? Well, we decided that we were going to pursue it anyhow. So today we have running, for the last 3 years, a 100% seawater cooled data center in Finland. We actually have 2. We just brought the second one up there. So that's one thing. Another thing is that a traditional data center has what they call computer room air conditioners. They're just air conditioners to make the data center cold. They tend to make the data center way too cold, in our opinion. Our data centers run a lot warmer because just in your house, if you turn up the thermostat during the summer, your air conditioner works less. Same thing in a data center. We turn up the thermostat, our data centers are about 80 degrees Fahrenheit, which most data centers you walk into, they're about like 65 degrees Fahrenheit or less, and that's just way too cold. The machines, the servers in there, run just fine. So actually the humans will stop running before the machines will stop running. So we make it comfortable for the humans. One way we achieve that is that the computer room air conditioners that were commercially available weren't really as efficient as what we would like, so we designed and built our own. And we put them right at the back of the server. So we take our server racks, butt them right up to that. The reason we do that is because the hotter the air going into the air conditioning unit, the more efficient that air conditioning unit can be. Normally you have to move the air a long distance to get it to the air conditioning units. We bring them directly to the servers where the hottest air comes out, get the most efficient operation. We designed and built that, patented it ourselves. So that's just one example of the types of innovation that we bring to our data center designs.
That's great. So you heard it here first from Joe Kava, VP of Data Centers at Google. You're all going to get a Google refrigerator. Thanks a lot, Joe.
Thank you, John. Appreciate it.